What's up everyone, happy Wednesday, or whatever day you happen to be watching this in the future. You know, that word I just said, future. It seriously applies to today's video because I have yet another piece of lighting tech for y'all to check out, but this light I'm going to show you just isn't any light. No, in fact, you could say that it closely resembles a famous type of weapon wielded by Jedi Knights and Sith Lords. So obviously, I'm calling this one the lightsaber. Pretty cool, huh? URCD Key has discounted codes for games and software that are a fraction of what you would pay if you purchased them from a retail store. More specifically, they have great prices with Windows 10 OEM and retail as well. If that's not enough, you can also use my promo code RAV20 to receive 20% off the already discounted price. Just type in the product you're looking for, add it to the cart, view your cart, head to the checkout, and then type in my promo code RAV20 and see the sweet savings appear. But wait, PayPal isn't working for you? You just need to scroll down to the bottom right, click this link right here, and make sure you use that promo code they give you at checkout, and PayPal should work like a charm. Check the links in the video description to learn more. So now that we have the wand light, or the lightsaber as I like to call it, out of the box, let's check out some of the key features of this light. Starting with the build, it's made of aluminum and plastic all the way around, but still feels pretty sturdy nonetheless. It has a white handle with an OLED display that shows off all the different color options, temperatures, and dimmable brightness levels. It can be controlled using the plus and the minus arrows and sliding your finger around it in either direction. To protect this light, it comes with a nice hard shell case that is the exact shape as the light, and it holds the battery and travel charger as well. The wand light also has two sides of LEDs that are filtered by the frosted plastic on top of them. One side has bicolor LEDs with color temperatures from 3200K up to 5600K and a lamp angle of 45 degrees. The other side has full RGB color LEDs that can change to any color in the spectrum and has a lamp angle of 120 degrees. The light is 23.3 inches in length, so it actually is a little stubby to be a real lightsaber, but it's close enough in my mind. It only weighs just a couple of pounds with that battery in it, so it can easily be handheld to light a subject if you want. The light also includes 1/4 standard screw holes on the top and the bottom of the light, so you can also screw it into a light stand so you can place the light wherever you'd want to light your subject without you having to hold it. So now you're probably wondering how you power this light. So in the bag, like I said, it includes an NPF battery from Sony that is 7.4 volt, 4400 mAh, and it is a rechargeable lithium battery that comes with a travel charger in that case, like I said, and it actually lasts a really long time. So with this thing at about 60%, I streamed with it behind me in my scene over there for about 3 hours or even more than that, and the battery did not die. So I'd like to say that this size battery works really well, and it's cool they include it in the case for you. But alternatively, if you want to run this light indefinitely, it can also be powered by an AC adapter, as they include a port for it on the light, but you actually have to buy this separately because it's not in the case. But you can just basically grab a 9 volt 3 amp adapter on Amazon, and they're pretty cheap, and I'll link one down in the description in case you guys are interested in doing that. Now let's get to the part I know you guys all want to see, the different lighting scenes. So this light is very similar to the other RGB lights I've reviewed on the channel lately, as it has 8 very cool lighting scenes to spruce up your videos, so check them out. On the bicolor side, we get 5 different scenes, including and then on the RGB color side, we get 3 different scenes, including So for $159, what exactly are we getting here? You're getting a very portable, versatile, and may I say, colorful and easy to use light that can be used to just add that extra bit of light to your scenes, whether you want to use it as like a backlight, a fill light, or even a key light to add some more color for a stylized look to your shot. I think this light is actually really cool, and with so many uses as well, including the long-lasting battery, I can kind of forgive the fact that they didn't include that AC adapter with it. The one thing I wish they did was make it a little bit more, less plasticky, because for $159, I'd like to see it made a little bit better, but again, it's still sturdy and, just don't drop it or you're gonna break it. So anyway, you guys, what do you all think of this light right here? Would it be something you'd consider picking up for your photos or your videos? Tell me down in the comments below and let me know what you guys exactly would use it for. I mean, if you're just gonna get it just so you can look like you have a lightsaber in your hand, I mean, that's cool too. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I'm doing it right now, right? Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Hopefully you all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to drop the video a like to help out with that algorithm as always. And if you want to stay updated on my content, be sure to get subscribed with those bell notifications on so you'll never miss a post, a stream, or a new video. So take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, later.